2020, a new decade full of aspiration. We stood ready to lead, motivated with ideas and innovation.
A new generation standing shoulder to shoulder with scholars and teachers of generations gone by, ready to secure our industry's future, to challenge and question the what, where and why.
Living in uncertain times with Corona's effect reaching every home, our way of life changed overnight, nobody free to roam.
We stand firm through changes all around, and through the movement offered, stability and support on the ground.
Throughout the country, across all our counties, the young farmers leave their footprints on villages and cities.
Rearing stock, growing crops, helping our communities and stocking our shops.
From gate to plate, our members produce our favourites every time. With red tractor standards, the best taste showing Wales in its prime. Meat, milk, eggs and flour, working hard to feed the nation, whatever the hour.
COVID will pass and we will still have our dignity, and they as ever will stand our industry. As the next generation, together we'll unite, ploughing new furrows and leading the fight.
From Anglesey to Glamorgan, we thank all our members who are volunteers.